This guide helps Unity creators save time and boost productivity with over 100 plus tips on how to work faster with programmers and artist toolsets individually or on a team. These tips work here with new and existing features in Unity 2020 LTS and above. Whether you are a new or experienced Unity developer, reference this guide to speed up workflows in every stage of your game development. Unity should be a joy to use. When millions of users repeat a task multiple times per day, every second or mouse click adds up. I want creators to waste less time and be more productive. This course has 4 sections: editor, artist, developer, and team workflows. And each section covered multiple topics. Like in the editor workflows, we are covering package manager, shortcut manager, focus inspector, presets, scene visibility, scene picking, searching, inspector debug mode, quick search, and many more editor workflow tips. And in the artist workflow, we have 2D art and workflow tips, sprite atlas, 2D workflow tips, prefab workflows, text mesh pro, snapping, animation workflow, customized gizmo and icons, progressive light mapper, light props. And in the developer workflow, we have attributes, custom windows and inspectors, custom menus, enter play mode settings, script templates, addressables, preprocessor directives, scriptable objects, managing assemblies, ID support, debugging, additional debug tips, Visual Studio shortcuts, device simulator, console log entry, and custom compiler status. And in the team workflow, we have source control and Unity accelerator. These are the major techniques, but in this course, you will be learning 100 plus techniques that will speed up your workflow and save you a ton of time. That was the short introduction of the course. Let's jump to the first section of this course. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.